Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to turn off location history in Facebook app on Android. Okay, so this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. Okay, so let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened and you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. If you haven't, you have to log in. Okay, and after that guys, you have to tap on this three horizontal lines, this menu icon in this top right section. So let me tap on this, and after that you have to scroll down to this settings and privacy and then tap on it, and after that you have to tap on these settings. Okay, and after that you have to scroll down to privacy section. So here I have this privacy section, and in this privacy section you have to find this location. Okay, after finding that, just tap on this. Okay, so let me tap on the location, and here I have this location history, so you have to tap on this location history. Okay guys, and you can see guys, here I have this location history toggle enabled, and here we have little message. Let's read that. Allow Facebook to build a history of precise locations received through location services on your devices. Okay, so in order to turn it off, just tap on this toggle and move this slider to the left. So let me tap on this, and you can see it's now gray and it's turned off. So location history is now turned off. After that you can go back. Let me go back again. Let me tap on this home button and you can start using your Facebook. Okay, so that's it guys. In this way you can easily turn off location history in Facebook app on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.